Okay, girls, this is the translation just from last week. So, thanks to more than 37 million Spaniards during the last year, the emission of 1.6 million tons of CO2 to the atmosphere has been avoided, and that's the equivalent to the total of what the coal-fired power stations in Spain would emit during 2 months. Also, 1.5 tons of raw material were saved, and the consumption of 20.74 million cubic meters of water and of 6.36 million megawatt hours of energy was avoided. Some figures which highlight Ponen de Manifiesto, the environmental engagement that the citizens of Spain are keeping up, or maintaining, and that places Spain at the head of Europe, in other words, at the forefront in Europe, with regard to the recycling of domestic waste, domestic packaging. Envases is packaging. In just 1 year, the Spanish have put 8.1% more packages or packaging into the blue and yellow bins in comparison to 2018, according to the assessment Balance that the environmental organization which coordinates the recycling of packaging in Spain Ecoembes, has presented in the context of, now the figures literally are dados a conocer, given to recognize or to celebrate in the framework of, in the context of, en el marco de the celebration of the International Day of Recycling, which is celebrated next Sunday. This increase, which reflects how the Spanish citizens, la ciudadanía, it also means the citizenship, like as in a subject at school, but the citizens are acquiring the habit of recycling. This increase is particularly noticeable when one makes a comparison with the data from 2015. And it is just the use of the green, I keep saying green, the yellow and blue bins has increased by 32% since then. Okay, so take from that what you will. I'm sorry, it's an oral response, girls. Perhaps if I had written that out, it might be a bit easier for you, but hopefully that's of some use.